Hi, I'm going to show you how to put a contact lens on someone else's eye. Now this might be your child's eye or it might be your partner's, whatever the case is. I'm going to show you the techniques that us optometrists use to make it work. So firstly, we're going to open the contact lens. Well, firstly, you're going to wash your hands. Before you touch a contact lens, you should always wash your hands properly with soap and water. Don't use a hand sanitizer because we don't want any of that residue on the contact lens. So we've washed our hands. We're going to open the contact lens and pull it out of the case. Now I'll just pop that case down over there. Make sure the contact lens is the right way around, and your eye care professional will help you understand that. Now the easiest way to pop it on someone else's eyes is to get them to tip their head all the way back, tip back a little bit more, and get them to look up and away from you. When they're looking up, it helps to lift their top eyelid up so it's out of the way, and it also makes them less aware of the contact lens. So look up and away. I'm going to use my left hand thumb. I'm right-handed, so the contact lens is on my right hand. My left hand thumb will hold Paul's top eyelid. My middle finger of my right hand holds his bottom eyelid, and I'm going to pop it on the white of his eye just here. Keep a hold of the lids, look back towards me, Paul. Let go of bottom lid first, and then top lid. Now, just let the person close their eyes for a little bit. Keep with your eyes closed, roll your eye around a little bit, and we'll check we've got that on. Yep, that's sitting in exactly the right spot. So that's the best way to sort of sneak a contact lens on from the side. Make sure that the person you're putting the lens on isn't looking at you, or they're much more likely to blink. Looking up and away and you carefully holding the lids is the way to pop the lens on.